and I'd love to get the thoughts of the NTSB. I think you understand the issue. You understand the issue is whether we are sufficiently implementing recommendations of the NTSB, and if not, why not? Want to give you an opportunity to respond.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. The Conception fire is a tragedy, and upon learning of it, we dispatched our lead marine investigator, the head of our investigation shop, to go out there, and he was there the next day along with NTSB to begin looking at the circumstances. And as alluded to, that investigation continues. One of the things that we also did was to start charter a small passenger vessel task force internally, as well as direct a concentrated inspection campaign on all vessels of that type carrying overnight passengers across the country. That happened immediately after. I've asked my team to take the results of that when they're complete, as well as the NTSB recommendations, and we need to look at that framework now and reevaluate post what we learned from this short-term look, as well as the long-term Marine Board of Investigation, but re-look at, including NTSB's recommendations, what to do with our small passenger framework.
Mr. Cruz, you have anything to add to that? It's not required, but I want to give you an opportunity to comment.
I would say we look forward to the implementation of our recommendations. Some of these have been outstanding for an extended period of time, and those more recent ones we feel are critical to the safety of passenger vessels. So we look forward to working with the Coast Guard on these recommendations to get these implemented.
Admiral, what can you tell us about the, can you give us an update on the Coast Guard's assistance in developing MOB standards with the IMO?
Thank you, Mr. Chair. The MOB standards are man overboard standards as part of the Cruise Ship Security Vessel Act. We are working with IMO and the International Standards Organization, and together have created a standard, a draft standard for the MOB. We worked through that international process to come to an official standard that we hope to adopt into the rulemaking, adopt and make the standard. So we are looking forward to that within the next year to be able to then promulgate the rule.
So what is your time frame for promulgating a rule?
I would say we're looking at the next 12 months as work with the International Standards Organization and that body to approve it and then incorporate it.
And how long have we been working on the rule?
Sir, we have been working on it since its passage, 2010 and 12, and then immediately put into action 11 of the 15 self-executing and have been working with industry and cruise ships to make sure that was in place. But this is an outstanding piece that we need to continue to work.
We look forward to that being completed, sir. I want to yield balance my time. Mr. Gibbs.
Thank you, Chairman. Admiral,